Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to add products on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Shopify account and now click on products and click on add product and give here the product title. And enter your product description here, and you can select any word and you can bold, you can italic, underline, and also you can change the color. And scroll down, and from here add your media, upload photos from your computer. And now enter your pricing from here. Also you can enable charge tags on this product, and you can add compare at price, and cost per item. You can enter the cost, and you can add your inventory or SKU here. And also you can add a barcode. You can turn on continue selling when out of stock, and enter your location name here and available, enter the amount, and you can turn on this is a physical product, and enter the weight. You can select kg or OG. So I'm going to entering the weight, and from this drop down select your country, enter your harmonized system code. If your product has options like size or color, then you have to turn on this option, and option name you can select size and enter your size here, or you can also add another option by clicking here. You can add color, select your color here. You can play around with variants. Okay, after that click on save, and here you can see I have successfully created a product. So here you can see product status right now is in draft. So click on this drop down and select active, and you can manage sales channels and apps, and click on scroll down and product organization section. You have to enter your search types, select category, and also you can add custom type and vendor. Select here your store, and now collection, enter your collection and enter your product tag here, and now click on save. So this is how we can add products to our Shopify store. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.